Good morning, grade 2s. Lovely to see you. It's Monday morning. I hope you have rested well over the weekend. If you didn't rest, if you kept on working, well done. Keep up the hard work. I'm very proud of you, and it's lovely to have you here in the class today. We're going to do a bit of revision this morning, but before we go ahead, we are going to do some exercises. We always do warm-up exercises, finger exercises and eye exercises before we start with our handwriting lessons. So first of all, we're going to keep our thumb up and we are going to do the lazy 8 and go with your eyes to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, across to the left, up 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 to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Okay, now we're going to do the same with our right hand. And keep your eyes on the tip of your thumb. Okay, it's very important that you do not move your head, but that your eyes follow the tip of your thumb all the way. And this exercise, as I said before, is a very good midline crossing exercise. It's also a very good exercise for your eyes. Because you know, when we work on the laptops and the computers, our eyes don't really look enough to the sides and we lose our peripheral vision. Right, so let's do the finger exercises. Let's do the thumb fights. There we go. And we know the thumbs are very, very strong. And also this morning we are going to exercise our other fingers. Right, so we put them down there and lift the pinkies, leave the others down. And now the ring finger, other fingers must stay flat. This one was the most difficult one for me when I started with this exercise. The tall finger is okay, that one can normally lift nicely. The pointing finger can lift nicely. And there's the thumb. The thumb is also okay. Let's shake it out and let's make the stars and shake it out. Rub our fingers together to make sure they are nice and warm before we start writing. We're going to repeat and revise all our cursive patterns that we've done thus far before I continue with the new ones. Because sometimes we carry on with new work, but when we go back to the old things, we've forgotten them a bit. So we're going to practice all the patterns today. I hope that's okay with you. Before we start though, I want to remind you of the new words that you can read now with your newfound skill of cursive handwriting. So let's read these words together. That one there says tin, there we see can, over there cocoa, and then on, team, and men. Well done. Over here we did the air pattern, we learned the air word, and then I had a hidden message in there for you the other day, and it says meet me at 10. Brilliant. And some of you actually came to the meeting. I'm not sure if you did the cursive handwriting before or after the meeting, but you came nonetheless. Well done. So how to sit, hold your book with one hand. That's number 1. Second, keep your back straight. Put your feet flat on the ground. Now, it's very important that you hold your pencil correctly. Now, in order for you to hold your pencil correctly, you need to put it on a flat surface, and then you come with your 2 pinches here, you pick it up at the back, and now you tip down like that with your hand. You curl your tall finger at the bottom and crawl forward like an inchworm. You see? And now you've got the correct pencil grip there. Can you see that? Okay, that's what your correct pencil grip looks like. Don't clench the pencil, just hold it lightly. That's perfectly fine. Good. So we're going to start. And remember, every single cursive letter, or at least most of them, start with an upline, with an old man walking up the hill. First of all, at the top, you write the date, 18 May, Monday. And then we're going to start. Watch carefully before you do. Pause the video if you have to, if you need extra time to write, before I carry on with the next pattern. Good. So we go up, straight down, smaller round away, up, straight down, smaller round 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 and away. So as you can see, we have smaller round at the bottom and we've got a sharp tip at the top. Lovely. The next one here says up, smaller round, down. Then we go up with the same leg, up over, up with the same leg, up over, 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 back around and away. And out of this pattern, out of this one, we got the E and the T. Out of this one, we're going to get the M and the N. We've already learned that, didn't we? There's the M and there's the N. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. So there's the K. Remember the C and the waves curling over and the surfer gliding back in the wave over, gliding back in the wave over. And it's like writing an R when we come back, see? Over, then we go back on the same line and you actually kind of start writing an R before you go away again. Write your R and away. You just don't close the R, you see? You start writing an R when you come down here, but then you go away instead of closing at the top there. When you do the cursive letter R, that's when you literally, after you come back here, you connect it there and you swing out to the next letter. Right. Now we're going to do the cursive A pattern. This pattern is for us to learn to write cursive A. So watch carefully. Up, back around, down, away, back around, down, away, back around, down, straight down, go back, straight down. Remember what I said about the diver? Straight down, straight down, straight down. And very importantly, in the cursive patterns, I do not lift my hand, not before I get to the end. It must be lovely and flowy. Alrighty, I'll see you then a bit later. Have a lovely day further. Bye-bye.